Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the special product of Microland IT Service Private Limited, that is Microland POS solution. Microland POS solution is available for different sector, among them especially retail sector. Retail sector is a centralized solution which include supermarket, departmental store, apparel, clothing store, footwear, sportswear, toys, books, electronic and appliance stores, garment shop. Next category came restaurant, which include fine dining, fast food, quick serve restaurant, cafe, coffee house, table booking app, table order booking app, KOT app, cashier panel, wallet features and many more. Key modules or features of Microland POS solution: retail POS, store management, multi-branch, multi-franchisee, rush handling app, store e-commerce, store customer app, delivery app, offer management, wallet management and many more. Microland POS has its own standard login page, which is shown in the screen. POS features. Under POS features come user management. User management gives ease to create new user. It assigns right with role-based security to each user. Second, inventory management. Inventory management provides ease to manage inventory, help in bulk upload inventory, production management, stock inward and outward, and many more. Next come our product management. It helps in managing product by bulk upload product, bulk upload price list, which in result give ease to search individual product. Next comes our supplier management. Supplier management give ease to create new user, assign roles and rights to each user. Purchase management. Purchase management ease to manage inventory, stock inward and outward, raw and finished good product inventory. Next comes our ease billing and KOT. KOT, which is also known as kitchen order ticket, under which we provide comprehensive table management, category-wise KOT, multi-terminal billing and table management. Menu management includes management-related menu that includes timing, delivery, item variation, and so on. Counter management. Counter management help in avoiding counter queue and hassle-free billing. It handles multiple counters and orders. Offer management. It gives coupon, discount in cash, category-wise offer, organization-wise offer creation and many more. Wallet management. Wallet management gives us individual customer wallet, add money in wallet, do advance payment and settle next order, no change, then add money in wallet. Report management. Report management gives us payment type report, product wise report, wallet report, stock in report, stock out report, purchase report, GST input reports and many more. Next comes our product category, which include POS, PMS. PMS provides hotel management, booking, KOT app, wallet features and many more. Then comes our CRM. Under CRM comes lead management, deal management, track lead, reports, email communication, schedule and follow-up tracking and many more. Then comes ERP. Microland Business Software helps manufacturers and traders to manage their business through ERP. VTS, that is Vehicle Tracking System. HRMS solution, call center, school management, e-learning app. Under educational app, we provide bookmark, we analyze, test series, subject management, course or standard management, fees module, student registration. Our services: web application website design and development, Android app development, facility of management service, bulk SMS service, The best web design take planning, experience, talent and education. So we provide cutting edge and latest facilities management service to our client. Microland IT Service Private Limited also provides services like domain and hosting service, search engine optimization, graphic design. As we all know that graphic design is the art of communication and problem solving through graphic. Clients think and we do what they actually want. We also provide IT infrastructure consultancy services and many more services. Some of our key clients are shown in the screen. Our major clients are like Indian Navy, Spart, Bluetech, HomeMart, Papa Smart and many more. We also have clients like Marcos, JustClick, UA&D, Team Age, SkyGrow, Insight and many more. We provide POS hardware machine like VT300 Thermal, Touch POS, Cash Drawer, TSC244 Pro Printer, Customer Display, Barcode Scanner, Nano PC. Thanks for watching. For more details, contact us. Our contact number and email ID is provided here. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.